Vids AI Reels video editor, quite popular app in the top charts, a very well made app. So you can combine your videos and photos into a video with cool transitions, aesthetic effects and filters to the beat of trendy music in just a couple of minutes. Perfect for TikTok, Instagram Reels, great high quality content like professional video makers. Edit videos right from your phone without using complicated mobile and desktop programs. Designed specifically for iPhone users who frequently shoot on their phones and active on social media. High-tech video conversion effect using AI. Get permanent access to a huge library of high-quality templates and feature. Vids offers a selection of the most relevant and trendy effects to create outstanding videos and TikTok videos. Share memories of your travels, holidays, and weekdays. Vids will bring fresh style and rhythm to your story in just a couple of minutes. So what are the main features? Create great videos in minutes using photos and videos from your phone. Automatically add trendy music from social media. High quality templates. AI templates, features and effects. Original cinematic transitions, aesthetic effects and filters. Themes to choose from according to your mood. Trendy music from Reels and TikTok. Easy creation and editing. Intuitive design. No ads or watermarks. Install and enjoy. Just choose your favorite photos and videos and let the app do the magic and make the videos in no time. So that's the idea. Then there is Vids Pro subscription, and let's just check it out. So here's how it looks like. You just open it up and you just have a lot of templates for Reels, for TikTok, for stories, everything. You also have AI selfies. So you can create longer AI videos, shorter AI videos, kind of moving selfies. Then you can also just create AI selfies. So everything in one app. However, everything is locked under subscription, so you just need to upgrade. There is only one option of free trial if you subscribe to yearly plan. So that's just basically an idea. And that's just what you have. Get exclusive access to premium content with Pro 3-day free trial. $60 per year, but also you can try monthly plan, which is $10. And that's what it is. Captions, you can add captions, you can just generate AI photos, you can just create this AI style kind of GIFs, AI GIFs, similar to Hula AI or Video Max apps. But again, even if you select this, you still can upgrade for $5 for one video or get the package and create 5 videos. So you just decide what you want to do. Overall, this app has quite good reviews and definitely worth trying out and choosing this app as one of the your top apps for like AI video editing. Try it out.